What's up everyone? Today we'll be having a look at Hanon exercise number 14, and it is for the third and fourth finger, and it is yet another preparation for the trill for the third and fourth fingers. As usually, I'm going to start with the right hand first, and we are going to have a look at the first two bars, and this will be for ascending. Remember, I'm starting on middle C, but please remember to start an octave lower with the right hand, and the left hand play for 2 octaves, both ascending and descending, and repeat if necessary. Right, so the right hand is going to go like follow. 1, 2, 4, 3, 4, 3, 5, 4. Now move your hand. 1, 2, 4, 3, 4, 3, 5, 4. So the thumb moves up each time. And now when we get to B, we are now at the last bar for ascending for the right hand right here, and we are going to play as follows. 1, 2, 4, 3, 4, 3, 5, and now the third finger needs to move to E. So again, this push with a fourth finger in between, like with exercise 13. And now our hand is ready to start descending with our thumb on C. For the left hand, ascending first, also the first 2 bars, starting on C, 5th finger, we're going to play as follows. 5, 4, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1. Now look closely. The third finger pushes the second finger away in between so that it is on the next note here, right next to the thumb. And we're going to do the same thing. 5, 4, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3. 5, 4, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 3. Now, when we get to B, we are at the final bar for ascending. We need to do the following. 5, 4, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1. Again, moving the thumb so that our pinky is on C again. Putting both hands together for ascending. The third finger now needs to move to F. Now we're on B, the last bar, and now both our third fingers move to E, so that we can start on C, thumb and 5th finger. Let's have a look at descending next, right hand. So I'm going to look at the first 2 bars there, starting with our 5th on G, thumb on C, 5, 4, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1. Now the third finger moves onto D, from E to D, so that we are in the next position for the sequence to continue. Now, when we get to A, we are now at the final bar, and we are going to do the following. 5, 4, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1. Moving the third finger one more time so that we can end with our thumb in starting position on C. For the left hand, descending, we're going to have a look at those bars there. Starting with our thumb on G. 1, 2, 4, 3, 4, 3, 5, 4. 1, 2, 4. So no movement. And now when we get to A again, we're at the last bar right here, and we need to remember to do 1, 2, 4, 3, 4, 3, 5, moving the third finger again, 3, so that we have our pinky on C, our starting position. Putting both hands together for descending. Remember, only the third finger now on the right hand moves. Now, when we get to the last bar, both move at the end. Third and third on E, so we can end with our thumb and pinky on C again. Putting the entire exercise hands together. Left hand moves first. Getting to the top, both our third fingers move to E, so that we can start with pinkies on G. Now the right hand moves. Getting at the bottom, A. Both third fingers move to E again, so that we can end in our starting position. So, very important things to remember here is the following. We need to remember that our left hand moves first, pressing the forefinger in between the fifth and third at the end of each bar. Then at the top, we need to remember that both our third fingers need to move onto E. Then for descending, the right hand is going to have that third finger movement at the end of each bar. And at the end again, we will have both third fingers moving to E, so that we can end on C, our original starting position. Take this one slow, right and left first. Get the feel of the movements for the right and the left, then focus on those, and then focus on speed a little bit later when you can play hands together sufficiently. If you found this video helpful, please remember to subscribe and turn on all notifications to receive future videos like the next Hanon. Thanks for watching.